Welcome to this SSE library tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the importance of Boolean commands. You might want to ask me why you should spend time learning Boolean commands. Especially when you can search just fine in Google without Boolean anything. The easy answer is that Google use what we call natural language to find results. Searching by natural language is searching using regular, plain, everyday speech. You can type in a sentence or a question that describes the information you are looking for. The database, Google, then use logic to determine the relevant keywords. Okay, so some of you might have question about Google Scholar. Google Scholar does understand natural language, and in advanced search mode you can even use Boolean commands. But Google Scholar has its limits. It's not a bad search engine per se, it's great for an overview search to find inspiration and keywords. It will give you a broad result, but many sources won't be peer-reviewed, meaning they might not be trustworthy and hence not good reference material. Academic databases and catalogues work differently from Google, so using plain language and just typing a random question won't give you a good result. You're more or less forced to use Boolean commands to get the information necessary for your research. Boolean commands allow you to form complex, multi-part searches to find exactly what you're looking for. To use Boolean commands is time-sparing and more effective in the long run, even if it's a learning curve in the beginning. And this was a short tutorial about why you should learn to use Boolean commands. If you like this, please check out our other tutorials and subscribe to our channel.